Hi! In this video, we will talk about the lolsoft.com review and if it's actually legit or not. So here are some key issues. It has unbelievably low prices with steep discounts of 90%, which is suspicious and an tactic used by scam websites. It also has some missing customer reviews and an absence of user feedback make it difficult to assess the reliability of the product and services. The contact information is also non-existent because there is no physical address or phone number, only a single email for contact, which raises concerns about transparency. It also have a questionable website design because of its per design, generic product description, and legal pages that appear copied from other scam sites. Delivery issues because there's also many reports indicates that customers either receive counterfeit products or nothing at all after placing orders. So make sure to not engage with this website. So that's all there is to know about the lawsoft.com review. I hope this video helped you out.